Hey guys, it's Jenny from Cabbage Patch Rescue. I'm glad you're here. Today is my 41st birthday and my family threw me an awesome 80s Cabbage Patch birthday and it was amazing. We bought all the stuff off of eBay and my family just really did it up. It was the best birthday I've had probably since I was 5. But okay, try to find that kid. Nice. Kill it, kid. I mean, don't kill the Cabbage Patch Kids, but...
I can't reach. Yeah. That's one of full.
He's a winner.
5 against what you got?
4.
Did your mom win?
Yep, I won.
I win. Not Mary. Oh no, they're going back down. Found Bob. But what better way to round out the night than to open up some Cabby mail? And I got this box and I wanted to show you what's in it. So here we go. I need you to get my honest reaction here. Oh my goodness. I love her. She is a 1990 posable girl. She's designer line. Look at her shoes. And she's got the cute little face and auburn hair. I really prefer the posable kids because I think they're so much more fun to have in the cabbage nursery. She can sit down. Better. Okay, so she's a single pony. She's got that 1990s, 1980s look going here. She's got the shag bangs. She's perfect. She's got this big, I love the auburn hair. It's not brown, it's not red, it's in the middle. And you have to work with it a little bit. But she can definitely sit up on her own. She can do the splits. She can read the other kids in the nursery a book. And I just love the posable kids. So I wanted to share her with you. Okay, so this guy just came. Beautiful packaging. I'm not sure. I think that he's a fuzzy. And I'm hoping that he's a fuzzy. I couldn't really tell from the pictures. I got a fantastic deal on him. Yes, I feel like he's a fuzzy, but I also feel like if he's a fuzzy, he's probably a fuzzy remake. Or maybe he's a custom fuzzy, meaning that maybe he was shag and somebody made him fuzzy. I mean, I really recognize he's a 1990 and he's posable, which are the posables are my favorite because they're so fun. But he came in a really nice outfit and I just got a fantastic deal on him. So I don't know, what do you think? Do you think he is a remake fuzzy or a custom fuzzy? I don't know. What do you think? If you know, please tell me in the comments. Bye.